Hello everyone. I'm happy to announce that this is the modular robot number 4. So welcome to my new asset. It's the continuation of the robot project, as you can see from the substance. So you can see I used greenish kind of texture on it, green and black. So as you can see, the full body is like kind of like a rusty metal, and also as you can see, the weapons, they are kind of like a dark metal. I mean, the color is like pure black. So yeah, in this sense, you can distinguish the kind of like a hand to the weapon. So yeah, you can arrange the robot according to your needs, by the way. So this is the back side. So this sign is meaning that caution is like yes, there is some sort of engine part is going on, so there is cautions, don't need to go on a backside, or maybe kind of like a nuclear sign that yes, obviously this robot is nuclear power kind of thing. So yeah, that sort of illusions needs to create. And you see there are 4 Gatling guns, and they can be used as AA guns also, and this shoulder part can be rotated. And also there is some sort of beam gun, or some sort of this type of 4 barrel guns. They are like some sort of um, throwing rays or something, laser kind of things. So it's like a fully sci-fi kind of things. So that sort of things can be done here. And the Gatling guns are looking properly, I think, and this type of things can be rotated, and it's the robot can be used this thing as a as a air defense, and also the ground defense. So it can kind of like either use the hands, or use the shoulder cannon to fire on the air. Any kind of air threat is coming above, it can fire. So it's like a very 4 Gatling guns, so it's like a huge firepower is there. And you can see the back side. So yeah, I think fully textured, ready and ready for game use. So this one is the part 1, as you know. I will be back with the Unity version and also the Unreal one. Okay, so thank you very much. Keep watching my new creation, keep watching. So this is number 4 is going on. I will gradually 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 until the 10 is coming. So my goal is to make 10 robots in a mega pack, actually. So thank you for watching, and keep watching till the end. Thank you. Hi guys, as you can see, this is the part 2, which is from the Unity HDRP. As you can see here, I am on the HDRP template. As you can see from the previous version, this is the modular part, you can see. And also the robots are standing, and here you have the obviously the textures. Where is the textures? Yes, the textures, as you can see, the textures are 4K. And also the materials, if I gonna show you the materials, you can see the materials. Okay, all materials are there, all materials are working fine. And yeah, if I gonna maximize the view, so as you can see from the substance, like this one is dark, kind of like a brown metal part, and this one is you know, rusty, blacky kind of the weapons are like that. So yeah, and this is the back side. So I think everything is working properly. So like I have explained in the previous videos that you can, you know, these are the parts. These are the parts like the Gatling gun here, and also this gun. So you can arrange them according to your needs. Like you know, you can copy that, and you can have one of them here, like this to attach more firepower, like this. You can obviously some sort of, you know, attach it some sort of, maybe here on this part also, like that. You see. So yeah, that's what I'm calling it the modular pack. Like if you are not satisfied with the existing design, you can always some sort of you know, some sort of kind of independence option that you can manipulate the robot design. Yeah, you can manipulate them, because every parts are separate. You can see every parts are separate. Okay, so you can always come up, there is a little bit of chance to, you know, kind of manipulation of this one. And if you can buy the whole, if you can have the entire you know, robot pack, then you can switch the you know, parts between themselves, between the robots. That is one wonderful option to have, that you can come up with within this 10. You can come up with a completely new one. So I think that's all, guys, from the Unity as well. So the last part will be from the Unreal. So hope you are enjoying, and you will remain till the end. Thank you very much. Okay, guys, this is the last part of the Modular Robot 4. As you can see it from the Unreal Engine 5.3. So you can see the robot, the project is working properly, and you have the FBX on the content drawer. You have the FBX and textures according to the project, and also you have here the materials. Okay, you can find here the materials. So the textures are all 4K. 4K is the maximum size for my all of my projects actually. So yeah, if you gonna maximize the view, so you can see here is I put some mannequin like the previous one. I put some mannequin to show the size comparison. So here is the size. So it's the back side, and you can see the back side and also the front side. So yeah, I think the textures and all the materials are working properly. You can see the roughness and dusty effect on the robot. It's like a battle hardened robot, and also you know, emissive and ambient occlusion, all of them are perfectly placed and working it should be. So yeah, so guys, this is the last part, and this is the remaining part, rest of the part of the project, like modular robot 4. So I will come again with a new one. So I think you enjoy this one, and I will come again with a new project. If you need this one, I am uploading one by one in my asset store the robots. You can purchase them all at once when I upload 10 robots completely. But now you can, if you need this one, you can purchase one by one, no problem. So please keep visiting to my asset store. Link is given on my pages, and also you can just type Upwork, and you can have my asset store link, Upwork, in the Google, and you can have my asset store link. I am in a CG Trader, I am in Render Hub, I am in Turbo Squid, and all the famous asset selling site. Upwork is there. So yeah, you can use them in your projects. If I notice that you use them in your projects, I will be very happy to know that. So thank you guys for your support and all that. So I think this is done, and I will come again with a new one. Thank you very much.